Two. You got one? Welcome back, Jesse. Suit up, suit up.
Oh, ayan, meron dumating isa.
Oh, there you go. Ball's here. Ball in the house. The boiler is here.
Hey, Jay. Hey, come on.
There you go.
You check Tito Oliver in his video, and Tito Oliver will check your score. Okay?
Who wants to win? 20 bucks. 20 bucks. You got it. All right, Hanoi versus Mexico City. Here we go. Last game for tonight. Oh my God. Luis to Ted. Arnell to Billy. Billy pass fast up, shaking off. Vacation mode. Welcome back now. Bindo. Commissioner, coach, champion, Sunday League champion. Congratulations. Well deserved win last Sunday. Oh, what happened to you, Calvin? You and Richie got into it, bro? Calvin, Mr. Automatic. Kamish, killing time. Are you up? That's a 5-minute tactic. Last Sunday. Boyle, 23. He can shoot that. He can shoot that. He can shoot that. No good. Rebound. Arnell. Laksamana. Here comes Ted to Billy. Stolen by Calvin. Here comes Kamish. Kamish on the break in the middle. Woo! Rebound Allen. Rebound Allen. No good. Rebound Billy. Two rebounds for Allen. And then one rebound for Billy. Billy. Almost lost it. Luis. Welcome back. Nope. Rebound. Aris. The silent killer. Kamish, got it by 10. Found Allen. Allen. Nice fake. Back to Kamish. Kamish. Iris, number 23. Drive up and under. Layup is no good. Rebound. Iris, put it up. No good. Rebound. Arnell. Rebound Iris. Rebound Arnell. You got it? Alright. Luis for 3! Yes, baby! Finally! High scoring ball game. Steal by Luis. Luis. Stop and pop. For no good. Rebound Calvin. Calvin bounce pass to Kubish Allen. Mr. Automatic, no good. Rebound Arnell. Billy bounce pass to Dom. Welcome back, Dom. We missed you last week. Ted to Billy. Back to Dom. In and out. Arnell. Left-handed rebound. No good. Rebound, Calvin. Tomish with the ball. Tomish, number 19. Veteran move, no good. Rebound, Ted. Billy, to Dom. Ay, ay, ay. Good game, good game. Get better, man, get better. Turnover, here comes Aris. Aris, number 23, he can make that. Yep, in and out. Rebound, down. Double D. Double dragon. Billy. Arnell. Nagkakahiyaan. Ayan na. Dong, hindi nahihiya. See? Oh! In and out. Sayang. Tomish, one pass to Aris. Layup is good. Aris, mas magaling kang lumayap sa utang mo. Deliver three. Ball for the rebound. There we go, on the break. Tomish. To Calvin. Automatic. Nope. Semi. Ted. Kakahayaan sila. Ayan na! Ayan na! Yes, baby! No assist. 3 points for the Roos. Point assist. Kamish, number 8. Looking for somebody. Found Kamish. The other Kamish. Automatic. No! Rebound, Arnell. Ball, spins. Ay, ay, ay. Billy, oh, Nowitzki. Layup is good for Billy. Tomish for three! In and out! Parang hamburger. Tudong ay! Sobra ng 1 meter. Shot. Nice block! Oh, nice block! Not in my house, sabi ni Arnel. Ayan na. Block by Arnel, block. Yeah, you got it. 10. Sizing it. Almost stolen. 10 for 2, he can make that. Sweet shot. Assist by Luis. Basket by Ted. Dennis Agoncillo, Beijing. Pasalubong. Top shot, rebound. Dundo. Rebound. Luis. Ted, step back. It is sweetness. Oh my God, back to back. 2 points. Just below the 3-point line. Right. 22. Dindo. Steal, turnover, steal by Arnell. Last touch. Same ball. Good hands, good active hands by Allen. Arnell. Open, didn't shoot. Found Ted. Guarded by Calvin. Back bounce pass, still by Kamish. Kamish in the middle. Here comes the break. In the middle. Nice move. Layup is good. Woo! Di pa naghahapit yun.
Tell Sos to get ready.
Good game, good game. Good game, Tokyo. Oh, what a move, what a move, what a pass. Nice fake. Got fouled by 19.
Should Sos go?
Foul.
Sos on second shot.
Sub coming up. Sub. Calvin, 22 to 23. Harris. To Boyle, spins. Back to Kamish, fakes. Slight foul. 99%. Alright, reset. Kakagulo sila. Nice fake, nice move. Favorite shot, no good. Rebound Harris. Blocked by Arnell. Arnell. Found. Oh, steal by Calvin. Ouch. Ouchie. Rebound. Lindo. Nice move, nice.
No.
No foul on the ground.
Number 97.
Ganda eh.
Thank you.
May asim pa dito. Ang galing. Ganda na. Minsan, sumusulpot yun eh. Boyle. Nice block by Arnell.
3 ball.
99. Foul on 99. He got 99 problems, but they did. The following program is parental guidance. Rated PG. Ay, turnover. Sayang. Sub.
Hey, can do that.
Check. Yeah. Check in next time, please. Allen for three. Assist. Assist by Allen. Allen. Kamish. Assist by Allen. Basket by Calvin for three. Score is 14-9 in favor of Mexico City. Bounce pass to Luis. Luis. For Dong. Dong. Back to Dong. Dong in the middle. Pop. Rebound. Rebound. Luis for three. Yeah. Love you, man. 3 points. Doc 23.
99.
Huh? Oh, 99. 12.
Ooh. Hey.
Woo! Sweetness! Teardrop! Magaling sa teardrop tong siya. Nagpapayak ng ano to. Babae. 10 for 3 points! Sugar! I'll be missing you. Boyle. Bush. Nice fake. Nice three. No good. Rebound. Somebody. Rebound roll. On a fast break. Nice left hand. It's good. Nag-practice. Parang ako last week eh. For three, in and out. Ted with the rebound. Here comes Don Galeras. Stop and pop. Is good. No assist. 24-11, 13-point game. Mexico up by 13. Dindo for three, no good. Rebound, Ted. To Al. Pass pass to Luis, 3 points, no good, rebound. Ay, nako, sayang. Ayan, rebound, Allen. Allen to Aris, ni-reverse, no good. He can make that. Hesitated, automatic, no, why not? Nice pass, plus the foul, and one, plus the bucket. Good game, Jaime.
Assist.
Good defense.
Wait, number? Number?
Bonus is good for Kamesh Dingo. Kinaliwa. Hindi. My God. When you're open, you take it, right? Good shooting, Doc. Calvin. Yeah, 3? 2 shots? Oh, 2 shots. 2 shots. You got fouled an inch after the 3-point line. You were fouled in the future, not yesterday. Paper is good. Alright. Good as a layup. 20 26-16, 10-point game. Mexico up by 10. Buck. Giving open. 10. Long pass to Luis. Stop and pop. No good. Such that wasn't good. Would have been a good assist. Dinda. With the glass. No good. Rebound. Ted. To Doc. Doc in the middle. Nice. Good idea. Nice steal by Aris. We got you. We got you. Oh, Calvin. Stay. 39 seconds left in the first half. 10-point game. Boy, to Dinda, to Kamish, pump, nice rebound. Doc, still by Dinda, fake. Basket is good. Nahawi ka ng konti. 26-18. 20 seconds left. Rebound. Done. Good eye.
10 seconds.
11 seconds to shoot. Down.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, that's the first half. 26-18, 8-point game. Mexico up by 8.
Hey! Namatay.
Ay, 26-8. 26-8.
Taylor, 26.
Sit down. Yeah.
26-8.
At the switch side. 26
So what's
was-
so we switch.
Which way is 26?
Earlier?
Hey guys.
So 26 is here.
So with 26.
Alright, okay na? Ayan, good. Hey, what we have to do, contest those threes. Alright?
Ain't no bathroom.
Alright? Hey, once they have the ball, they start looking, somebody's gonna cut. So, look, okay? Alright? Guys, isa sa inyo, angat agad pagka-shoot nila. Hindi tayo mananalo dito sa anak. Tinanong tayo. Okay? Win, easy basket. Okay? Pag pinasa mo, 2-on-1. Pag alam mo, alasur mo sa kanya, okay? 2-on-1 ka. Okay? Pero pag 1-on-1, sundan mo pa rin yung kung sino yung pumasa. Just in case you miss. Okay? Okay, isa na ang tatakbo, angat. Tapos isa just in case sumulong. Si Calvin, kasi ito. Okay? Calvin, pag may pantay sa kanya, pasahan. Okay? Option sa kanya. So, pag nalibre na? Nalibre. Eh. Ano natin ito? Lugat ang mga natin. Tara, apo.
Alright, I'm ready to go to sleep.
Me too.
All right, second half.
Defense outside. Defense.
Week 4. We're missing Kumish
Again?
Againstilo. Be patient. Aris for 2. Woo. Free throws good. Parang free throw.
Finish?
Kung may assist. Alan. Oh my God.
Who passed me?
Assist by Dom. 3 points by Billy. $20-29. Calvin for 3. Rebound, Boyle. Cross pass to Aris. Layup is no good. Rebound, Aris. Aris for 3. No good. Rebound, Billy. Billy for 3, no good, rebound, Bone. Basket is good, rebound, plus the rebound.
Whoa!
Rebound, Billy. Arnell, nice fake. Almost stolen. Billy. To Ted. No good, rebound. Aris. Boyle, he can make that. Yes! 3 points for Boyle. Assist by
Bye.
Kamish. Talent. Who made assist? Talent. Billy for 3. Oh, 2 points. Step on the line.
I was 2 for. Oh.
Back shot is good for Calvin. Heating up. 24-34. Here comes Doc. No. Arnell for 3. In and up. But rebound Calvin. Way open. Sayang. Rebound, Ted. On Billy. Oh, what a crossover! Sayang! Shake and bake. Bounce pass to Billy. Wow, on. Boyle, number 99. Billy to Ted to Arnell, spin, left hand is good. Yeah. Walang kawala yung ring. Swak na swak. Kamish for 3.
No!
Booyah! points for Kamish, number 8. 36-27. 9-point game. When there's time, there's a chance. To Don. 19. Foul. That's his second. Stop. Ayan na mga tirador. Al and Luis. Al, shoot ka naman. Sige kang bola, men. Pag ako nandyan, papasa. Oh, rebound by Arnel to Luis. Oh! Medyo alanganin pa siya doon, pero pasok. Good job, Luis. Just like that, 39-27, back to a 12-point lead. Calvin, almost stolen. Here comes Dindo. Dindo, stop and pop is no good. Rebound. Last touch. Nice save by Arnel. But last touch. Luis for 3. 3 points. Assist from inbound. Look to 88. Assist.
15 points.
That's Luis' 5th 3-point of the game. Bounce pass to Boyle. Boyle fake. Basket is good. Nice move from Boyle.
Yeah.
99.
Third.
Luis, 6 3-points is good! Assist from Arnel. Hitting up. And hinahabol si Luis. 3 points! Yeah! Back at ya.
Bang.
We're gonna rush that one. Rebound, Dindo. Here comes Dindo in the middle. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound. Sub. Bounce pass, Arnel. Here comes Kamish. To Alvin for 3. Calvin for 3. Basket is good. Assist from Kamish Allen, number 8. All right, back to a 10-point lead. 10-point game, 11 minutes. In this game, almost stolen. Couldn't hold it.
Right. Good call. Black. Saw the tip.
Nice move! Knew it! What a move by Al. Welcome back. Rebound, Billy. To Ted. Looking to pass. Arnell. Back to Arnell. Arnell fakes. Foul on Dindo.
3 fouls.
That's your third personal foul. 14 foul. This game is brought to you by iLeverage. iLeverage.com. Check it out. Hey, Bernard, good game. Ingat. Ingat ka.
Boom.
Mimingat. May pasok. Free throws good. 49-35.
Automatic. Take it. Cash.
Ooh, Boyle for two is in the glass.
Six. Take it.
Billy for three. Rebound, Calvin. Here comes Dindo in the middle. Dindo to Calvin. Basket is good. Assist by Dindo. 39-49. Back to a 10-point game with 8 minutes and 32 seconds left in the game. Almost stolen. Rebound, Calvin. Dindo for two. And opted for a higher percentage shot. Basket is good for Kamish. Two inches can make a difference. Huh?
14.
Stop on the second shot.
Fourth personal foul.
Fourth personal foul on Dito. 99? 99 4 fouls. Gaines, Boyle has 4 fouls.
We're wasting the clock.
Can't do an Alvarado yet. That's Alvarado spot. I should try that. Yeah, like stand there, corner. I think it only works when there's people, when there's people on the bench. Hey. Yeah, but I'll try that next.
You make the first one?
Oh, did they make the first? Second, just a second. Oh, miss it. Dindo. Alice with the rebound. No good. Rebound. Allen, he can make that for three. No good. Rebound. Calvin. Calvin. No good. Rebound. Doc with the rebound. To Dong, number 4. Found Doc. Nice defense. Nice steal by Dindo. Here goes Dindo to Harris to Dindo. What a play! Ice! Ayang. Billy for the 2. Basket is good for Billy. Mr. Dependable. The old teammate. Dindo for 3. Oh my goodness. Ito mama sa ring. Puro net. Nothing but net. Rebound, Calvin. 52-44. It's an 8-point game. Dindo. Alice. Dong. Arnell, nice move. Rebound, Dindo. Rebound, Dindo. 3 points. No good. Rebound, Ted. 4 minutes and 52-44 is the score. Dong for the 2 points. No good. Rebound, Billy. No good. Rebound, Arnell. Up. Double dribble miss. Calvin for 2. Woo! Goodness! Mr. Automatic. 52-46. It's a 6-point game with 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 17. 6-point game. Nice D. 5 second. What a defense by formation. They got the ball back. 4 minutes and 2 seconds left.
Take it, Green. Over to here.
Calvin to Boyle. Nice fake. Harris for 3. No good. Rebound. 10. Back to
Pressure.
Dunk. No good. Rebound. Boyle. Last touch on Dunk.
No hops. No hops.
No hops si Pops. Naasar ka dito. No hops. Pops got no hops. Rebound, Calvin with the ball. Harris. Dancing the tightrope. Here comes Calvin for 2. No good. Rebound. Gomes. Basket is good for Gomes. It's a 4-point game. 52-48 with 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. Timeout, Black. Bob's good. No, Bob's good. No.
Let's see, guys.
No.
Hey. I'll quick. Yeah, come on. Hey, you're gonna play man, alright? Whoever's staying, there are 3 guys over there, 3 guys over there. The guys in the back, alright? This guy feel the pressure, you're gonna pass the guy to the back, alright? Just get close to your man at the back, alright? Go for the steal, you can pass it. Alright? Alright, let's go. Alright, number 4.
Billy. Short. Arnell. Rebound. Ted for 2. Basket is good. Calvin for 3. No good. Rebound. Arnell. Yeah, we
Okay, stay sharp, focus on.
Alright, shot clock is on. Basket is good. 2 points. 56-48. Boyle. Basket is good for Boyle. 2 points. 50. Shot clock is on. 15 seconds. 10,
No.
8, 7, 6. 3 seconds.
Foul on 19. That's his fourth. Fourth foul. No more fouls to give.
No more fouls to give. Oh, almost stolen. Stolen by Dindo. Foul on 97.
By Dindo. Foul 97.
Foul 97, steal by Dindo.
By Dindo.
56-50, a minute and 9.
Give him back to what?
Boyle. For three!
Yellow.
No good, rebound. Oh, saved by Calvin. Back to Dindo. Dindo for three! Oh, 3 points! 56-53. 46 seconds.
You guys. 6 fouls.
Oh, saved by Calvin. Foul on 19. 56-53. 3-point game. 37 seconds left.
Reset.
Hanoi ball.
Go! Oh, timeout! Oh my god.
Ball for
Bang,
three.
bang!
Oh, sayang. Now would have brought the house down.
Shot clock is off.
Shot clock is off.
Oh my god. Yeah. Call timeout. What are you guys doing? Shot clock is
Shot clock
off.
is off. Down. No good. Rebound. Boyle. Oh, foul on Calvin.
Foul on 22. Hey, no, it's 1 and 1.
Penalty.
Yeah, penalty.
Penalty. 1 and 1. 1 and 1.
Huh?
9 seconds left. 3-point game.
2. Yellow has 2.
We got 2.
Why can't you use it?
We still have 2 for next week. Use it or lose it.
Should have used the
Last play, yeah.
Alright, 57-53.
Hot today, though. He had to shoot that, but he didn't look. He had a 3 too,
We
right?
have a
Yeah, he had a 3 too. I thought the first shot was a 3 out there.
rebound.
He did hit a 3. He did, right?
Maybe. We'll check it.
They call timeout? They call timeout. Wow.
Light grab. Left. Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Congratulations. Mexico City. 57-53 is the final score. Good game, Hanoi. That's it. That's it.
Who got the rebound? Oh.
Good game. Whoa. Did you make a 3 earlier? You passed it to him, right? That was a 3.
Ah, my bad.
Got robbed.
No, it was a 2. It was a 2.
Huh?
The 3 there that you made before, it was a 2.
Oh, mine was it too?
Yeah, red ball.
Oh, come on, man. I know, right?
way out here.
I know, man.
That was way from downtown.
That was cold.
Oh, man, come on. Now it's a 3. That's probably the only 3 you're gonna get the whole season, man. You took it. That's why we told him to shoot that last one, to tie it up. If he didn't make that 3, he would have said pass that shit.
Hey, does anybody change on 10? 5-2s, 5-5s?
I put 3 originally. You can see. You can see right there. I marked it off.
Oh, man. Come on, bro. Give him $10 there. Think about that 3. Calvin passed that one. Man, a 3, right? I thought it was a 3. Yeah. I thought it was wide open. He had a 3 second left. Your ass stepped in, man. I don't think so.